In this video, we'll be going over the new World of Wonder visual programming tool. Visual programming reduces the barrier to entry for creating and helps beginners build innovative creations. The tool makes editing way easier and much more efficient. Let's learn more about this new tool. First, you'll need to enter the World of Wonder editing mode and tap Creation Settings from More Features. Then, enable Advanced mode from there to start editing with the Visual Programming tool. The tool has two modules, Canvas and Blocks. The Canvas module allows creators to drag and drop objects to create and edit a series of workflows. Meanwhile, the Block module is composed of preset code blocks. Each block represents a specific programming operation or function. As such, while using the tool, creators only need to drag blocks from the block inventory to drop onto the canvas. Connect the various blocks to achieve the desired effect. Also, once a few blocks are linked together and are working properly, they will form a trigger. Multiple triggers can be placed close together, and they all work without affecting each other. Creators can access trigger management on the right to quickly disable or enable a specific trigger. A trigger group is a collection of triggers. Multiple trigger groups can be made for each creation. Trigger groups can be individually disabled and enabled. Keep in mind that when a trigger group is disabled, all triggers within it will also be disabled. Finally, there are 7 types of blocks. They are Event, Action, Condition, Value, Control, Custom, and Variable. Event blocks represent specific events, timings, or situations that happen in a game. Action blocks represent specific actions that can be triggered to perform various game functions. Condition blocks help in determining various conditions and do not take effect on their own. They need to be paired with other blocks to take effect. Value blocks represent targets of events and actions, and has other blocks performing corresponding operations on the target. Value blocks also don't take effect on their own and need to be paired with other blocks. Control blocks are used to control other event and action blocks, so they can generate more synergistic effects. Custom blocks allow the creation of unique blocks that can achieve effects otherwise not possible with existing preset blocks. Variable blocks are like value blocks, where they can be used to record and update game statuses. At the same time, all blocks have different shapes and slots that they can be inserted into. As such, blocks need to be inserted in the right slots for them to work. For example, the condition block is a hexagon, so it can only be placed in a hexagonal slot. Additionally, some blocks contain reference parameters that can be copied. The parameters represent the targets involved when running the block. Among the various types of blocks, event blocks and action blocks are the most basic. Visual programming lets you trigger specific actions at specific moments. Event blocks represent specific moments. Action blocks represent specific actions. A specific moment can be the start of a match, when an enemy is eliminated, when a mission is completed, and more. A specific action can be issuing a weapon to a player, changing a player to another team, and more. An event block combined with an action block is the most basic form of visual programming. For more new version updates, be sure to follow the official community. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. See you next time.